How to get the Google Maps Pin reward. Want to earn badges and rewards on Google Maps? Let's unlock Google Maps Pin rewards. First, join the local guides program. Sign in with your Google account to start earning points, and then write reviews for places you visit. Each review earns points towards your next badge. Upload photos, high quality images, help others, and give you more points. Answer quick questions and suggest edits. Every contribution adds points to your local guide's level. As points add up, you unlock pins and badges. Higher levels bring recognition and sometimes perks like discounts or invites. Google Maps Pin rewards are a fun way to share local knowledge and earn recognition.